This was when I taught in a different place. She had some of the best kicks. Strong legs.
She might be strong.
How you doing, Jerome? How you doing? You're wiggling a lot. Alright? Like I said, you can stop whenever you want. You have that free choice. Yeah, man. Is the wall your friend now?
No, it's mine.
Nearly there, folks. Nearly there. Next up, we're going to be looking at Cat.
That's my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah, giant. Giant fighter. Giant fighter.
Well, part of the good news, going for yellow, it's the easiest to pass at yellow. It gets harder the higher up in belt you get.
Yeah.
And you'll know with the curriculum, all you had to do is accomplish memorization for these two today. After today, you have to worry about things like stances and foundations, the proper techniques, appropriate power, adequate speed. That snap is something you learn later on. After you get to green, we start that conversation.
Okay.
Which means everything gets 10 times harder.
Yeah, I think hard when you go higher.
So, keep on, show down.
Yeah. Yeah.
You said you weren't nervous.
Yeah. Yeah.
You said you weren't nervous. Here. Well, my big question to you, though. Did you earn it? Oh, quite an answer. Yeah? I don't know, can you defend yourself against the yellow belt? Nope. Well, at least I hit you with the yellow belt, not a black belt, because then you could have looked at that. Sure. You did very well today. Now, you have to be prepared for this. I haven't even looked over there, and I'm already can feel there's somebody itching to take a picture.
Yeah.
See? And I have to make sure you trim it properly. So if I take your key, do this. A little tug. Tug it. Get tug it down. Yeah. That's right. Just make it look key. Next time, iron a little bit, huh? I'm going to teach you how to use an iron, okay? Oh, you don't have a phone too? You hit fork? Oh, there we go. Fork down.
Oh, yeah.
You ready? You put your feet like this. Now, pink and yellow, it's gotta go together somehow, right? All right, that's good.
Ella! Well done.